Hi again, friends. It's me, Mrs. Renee from Classroom E in Torrington. I wanted to read this book to you, and I'm trying to do it a little quiet because it's a lot about listening and following the rules. And we read this book a lot in my house, so my kids know what happens. If my kids hear me reading this, they're going to want to come over and they're going to want to do exactly what the character says not to do. This is Larry. Can you say hi, Larry? He has one rule, and the rule is the title of the book. The title of the book is Don't Push the Button. I wonder what this means over here. Anyone remember what that's called? Exclamation point. Yep, that means when we read it, we're going to say it with a lot of excitement, okay? Don't push the button. The author's name is Bill Cotter. He wrote the words. He's also the illustrator. He drew the pictures. So remember, there's one rule. Don't push the button. Move back a little bit. Hi, this is Larry, and he's the narrator. He's the person who's reading the story to you. I'm going to pretend to be his voice, okay? Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. See that red word right there? It's red because it's important. It says don't. Oh, 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 I almost touched it. See the button? Don't push the button. Self-control. Right? We practice that a lot. Taking deep breaths, focusing your attention. Oh, if you need to, you can pick up your attentoscopes, put them on. Remember the rules. Eyes are watching. Ears are listening. Voice is quiet. Body's calm. The one rule is, oh, put your hand up. The one rule is don't touch the button. That's right. Okay. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Larry. He says, seriously, don't even think about it. Think is in red. So that means you can't even think about it. You really, really have to focus. Don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. I wonder. Do you have any guesses? What could happen? Have you ever pushed a button before? What happened? Don't push the button. No. We can't. We mustn't touch the button. Psst. Psst. Guys, nobody's looking. See? Come on. Larry says, just give the button like one little push, okay? You want to? Come on, get real close. One little push, it's okay. I said one little push, right? Okay. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Oh, he doesn't want to be yellow. Press it again. Maybe it'll fix it. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Twice means two. Show me two. 1, 2. That could fix it. What's your prediction? What's your idea? Do you think it will work? Will it be fixed? Larry, are you going to be okay? We pressed it 2 times and now... Now there's 2 of me, said Larry. Push it a bunch of times now. That could fix it. Just press. Sometimes when we're frustrated with our technology, we just press. Will that fix it? Go ahead. Oh, wait. Let's count the Larrys. Make sure that there's 2. 1, 2. This is 2. This is 2. But now press the button a lot of times. Ready? Go. Press, 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 press. Let's see if it worked. Uh-oh. Whoa, we have to count the Larrys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Larrys, and probably more behind that. Okay, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to shake the book. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. So pretend that you're holding onto a book like this and go shake, okay? Or you could shake your body. Get up and move a little bit. That always helps. Ready? Shake. Let's see if that worked. Okay. Almost got them all. Just got to shake it a little bit more, okay? Shake it again. Shake. Let's see. Okay, there we go. It just says here in his instruction manual that we just have to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So I'm going to put Larry real close to you. Get your hands out and remember to give his belly a big old scratch, okay? Ready? Scratch, 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 scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. He says, that tickles. Okay, he's much better now. Let's not push the button again. See the red letters again? It says not. N-O-T. Not. We are not going to push that button again. No. But, he says, that was kind of fun. Maybe we could do just a couple more pushes. You want to try? If you do, you decide. If this were your book in your house right now, would you listen to Larry? Would you press the button? Or would you have self-control and keep your hands off? I'll leave it here and see what you do. The end. Thank you, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. We miss you so much. Looking forward to doing more with you as we go through this journey together. Bye.